Hello, what's going on again, everybody? So, if you saw my last video, I purchased a fifth wheel, and it's been a few weeks since I've done the initial video on it, so I thought I would share some of the work that I've done on it over the past couple weeks. And hasn't been a whole lot, it's just been some time-consuming stuff, but yeah, so here it is. Okay, so the first thing I did was I recoated the roof. The roof was solid black, so that was the first thing, is I needed to get some roof coating on it. After that, I went and did that RV as well. So it hasn't been 100% working on this one. After that, I put silicone and sealed everything up, all the windows, around all the doors, and pretty much everywhere. And then when I did that, I also did the other RV as well. So inside, got the living room slide out still in. I tried emptying the holding tanks. Unfortunately for me, when I purchased this, the holding tanks were full, and we had a pump that you can drain it into and it'll send it out to the septic tank, and that stopped working midway through, so I'm still dealing with the holding tanks, and the valves are pretty much right underneath that window, so I'd have to keep crawling underneath the slide out. So I kept it in while I'm working on that. In here, I have pulled all of this wall trim, that blue trim right there. I pulled it off on all the walls up here. I think it looks 100 times better. You can kind of see some shadowing right there. I have yet to clean this area, so it's still nasty. And while I was pulling some of the trim off, over here is where I found a bad spot in the wall. In the initial video, there was carpet on all of this, which is right there. So I pulled it off, and I found this is the only bad spot in the RV that I've found, and it does not seem to be leaking. It's just it had leaked at one point, and so yeah, what I think I'm going to do is probably cut it and then put a new piece of wood right there. I've got some more wall board in the shed, so that should be pretty easy. I've started cleaning the bedroom. Let me go in the other door. Okay, I've started cleaning the bedroom in here, and I've got pretty much all of it cleaned except for about there to the closet. But all of this is now cleaned. The ceiling has been cleaned. But the ceiling was so nasty and the walls are so nasty, but the ceiling still has a bunch of shadowing. So I think I'm going to have to end up just painting the whole ceiling. And to show you how dirty this is, I've cleaned that half. This half is still dirty, and you can see it on the ceiling in the slide out. Get it in focus. But that's how dirty everything is in this. And again, it's leaving a bunch of shadows. So I think I'm just gonna have to end up painting the ceilings and make sure I'll feel better that it's clean and it'll look better. I'm debating on if I should paint the walls I kind of wanted to feel like a more homey feel than RV, but I do like the color of the walls. So I don't know yet what I'm going to do with that. I think I'll paint the ceiling and then see how well the walls look. And then make a decision from there. But yeah, so that's kind of what has been done so far on the RV. Hasn't been a lot of work, but I've been working on the other RV as well at the same time, so what can you do? But yeah, this is just taking forever to clean. This is 2 days now just in the bedroom, and I'm not looking forward to cleaning the rest of it. Oh, I think I'll end up painting the board that the mattress goes on. There's some stains and everything on it, and if I gotta buy a new mattress, I feel better with it just being on fresh painted. I know it's clean. But yeah, so that's kind of just a little update on this fifth wheel, and stick around and you'll see what I come up with next. Thanks for watching.